So this is what the garden looks like early September. I'm gonna do a little work today and we'll see what we can get done and show you what we did. Okay, so we've removed the pepper plants. We've gone ahead and raked and put in a little bit of fertilizer. And yes, we put some ant stuff because we have ants that keep growing in that corner. We thinned the okra a little bit. Turned over the compost. Removed the trellis that was there. I had cucumbers on it previously, the green beans. And look, I think we have a little green bean trying to grow. I think. Tomatoes will be another day. I will thin those and take care of those another day. I took up the dead flowers, some fertilizer. We put some more mulch, compost, whatever combination of soil in there. And then there's a little bit of fertilizer and flowers. Okay, we've planted for fall. I have, I believe, 3 broccolis right there. I have several rows of lettuce. One's butter crunch, and then one I believe is a romaine. In this little space right here, I put a couple of broccolis, see what can grow. Here I have some turnips. Never grown turnips, never eaten turnips that I remember of, so we're gonna see what we can do. And then in this little area we have some radishes. Planted a little more cilantro there and there. And then I put my dill seed in there. Decided to use carrots here. This one I've done from Park Seed, the Danbert. So we'll see how they come up. We're leaving that bed for garlic. And then this one, we have more carrots. And we have the scarlet, I'm not sure, Nantes. So that's what we got. And it's starting to rain on us, so we are getting inside. Perfect timing. Thanks for watching, guys.